All right, so here is your lesson in how much of a nerd Miss Brett really is. It's going to be your analog and digital music interlude. We didn't get to build a speaker for this, and actually it's super fun because you can do it with a cup and a needle, and all you need is a turntable. So this is the record of Radiohead's The Bends. And oh my goodness, I love this record, but I'm going to show you under the light what it looks like right now. Oops, it's kind of hard to see. But you notice here what we have is a lot of dust because Miss Brett has not listened to this in a very long time. But also you can see there's little grooves. And the way that they do this is they literally print the music onto it. I don't know if you can see here. This is a very well-loved record, and as time goes on, you notice that there's some imperfections here, and there's a scratch, a huge scratch here, which makes it very hard for the needle that runs through this and actually attaches to the speaker to pick up all of the sound that has been imprinted on here. And the sound is not on or off, it's a whole range. This is an analog way to store your music, and what it does is it literally imprints into this piece of vinyl. It imprints the music into it, and this one has had a very hard life because all of my records have had a hard life. So what happens is things can be scratched, and this is the digital version of the exact same thing. Also susceptible because it is a CD, and you can see, maybe you can't see, there are quite a few scratches on this too because it was just as well loved as the other one, but instead of actually having the music imprinted onto this piece of vinyl, it has been stored as a digital signal. So a whole bunch of zeros and ones are stored on here and written to this. And these are exactly the same. This one sounds better because it sounds more real, because it's not as clear and cleaned up as the digital copy of the voices and the music that are on this record. So that is the difference between digital and analog. Why is digital music better than having an old record? It's very hard for me to put this anywhere and walk around with it. All right, you have to be sitting at home next to your record player. This one here has become pretty obsolete as well because they get scratched, all of those fun things. Back in the day when kids did have CD players, it was hard to carry them around all the time. Having everything on your phone is awesome because it's very compact. It's all right there. The technological advances are just amazing. So that is the difference. I know it seems like a really terrible question to ask, but again, all of these are MCAS questions, and they expect you to be able to tell them something about technology you have probably never even used. So yeah. I'll be nice when grading that. Enjoy. Oh wait, point values. Let's see. Records are analog. How am I going to do this? Why is it better than using an old record? Oh, we just went over that. Records are bulky. Records are analog, bulky, or big. They scratch. There's all kinds of problems. If you can give me that it's in digital format on your phone, that's awesome. In fact, pretty much everything on your phone is stored in a digital format. And if you can give me some kind of reason why it's better than a record, I'll give you credit. That was really fun.